This video is to help walk you through the protein synthesis escape room instructions. A mad professor has trapped your whole class in the classroom. In order to escape, you must use your knowledge of protein synthesis to convince him to let you go. Answer the questions at each level and be sure to record each answer. Once all levels are complete, retrieve the completion code to break out and save the day. You're going to be working in breakout rooms to complete each level. In your groups, you should assign the following roles: leader, facilitator, timekeeper, and recorder. The leader should share their screen in the group, and they're going to share these escape room slides and the escape room Google form. You're going to complete the level questions and use the answers to decode and figure out the 4-digit code. You're going to check the 4-digit code in the escape room Google form before moving on to the next level. The recorder should type the codes in the chat. Each person is going to need to complete their own set of slides by entering the answers in the code. Make sure that you use the Ask for Help feature in your breakout room if needed. So each level is going to have a set of 4 questions, and they will all be multiple choice. So you're going to, as a group, decide the correct answers, and then you'll record them in the lock here. So for the sake of the example, let's just say the answer to question 1 was A. And these are not the correct answers, but let's say question 2 was B, 3 was C, and 4 was D. So then you're going to use the answers to decode and find out what your 4 digits will be. So let's say I did the puzzle and my code is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to go to the form and check that this is correct. So you can see that this is not the correct code. So now my group members and I would go back to these questions and try to figure out which one was wrong. And remember, if you need help, you do have that Ask for Help feature in the breakout room. So each level has a different puzzle that you'll need to use to find the code. In level 4, there is a question where you will need the codon wheel. Level 5 has 2 different puzzles. One is labeled as hard, the other is a little bit easier. Both will give you the same answers. It's just up to you and your group which one you would prefer to use. Once you enter the correct code in level 5, you're going to see an image that looks like this in the form. Above this image is going to be a 4-digit completion code. Make sure that you enter that code into the final lock, and that will be the end of your escape room. So there is a prize for the groups that finish first. So make sure that you ask for help if needed, and good luck.